how long does it take? Let's say I'm looking at your website right now, and this in particular, I clicked on the residential, and it's got a patio that has four of them across it. So we're probably talking a 9 foot clearance. How long does it take a roller shield to roll 9 feet?
I would say you'd probably be looking anywhere from 20 to 45 seconds. It's a pretty fast. There's 16 RPM motors, so they roll pretty quick, and but it's at a speed to where it's sustainable, right? So on the way down, you get a nice smooth roll, and it also has that same smoothness on the way up. So it's really tailored to the rolling shutter.
What kind of power? I mean, do I have to get an electrician out and tear up my walls to run a 110 all over the place to every window and door that I'm putting this on?
Sure. So it's just normal 110, but our installers take care of all that. We usually just tap off an existing circuit, and they're only pulling 1.2 amps, so they can pretty much be put on any circuit as long as it's not super overloaded. So they're very efficient for the lift capacity and how big you can get them.